Guys, I'm here with Ricky at the car meet.
Come on.
What are you saying, bro?
I'm good, brother.
How you finding the meet?
Yeah, it's live,
It's kicking, man, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Bro,
nice
you know
cars,
what?
Nice cars,
It started at 2 o'clock, man's getting here from like 12 o'clock, bro. So it's pretty mad.
12 o'clock?
Since 12 o'clock, bro.
Wow.
Literally, people have been coming down like, from miles. Like, I was surprised. Obviously, this is our first time as well, you know what I mean? Yeah,
C63s.
all sorts of cars have been coming through, man.
But yeah, anybody that follows me, check these guys out. Onyx, they're a local tuner to me, so I'm from Slough. These are literally 2 seconds.
Yeah, so today we've been doing Dyno Day. We had altogether 15 bookings, 15 people are here. So it's been kicking, man. Obviously,
nice,
yeah, getting them off, getting them on, getting them off. So, but now, thanks for coming down as well, man.
Hands up, brother.
What are you saying, guys? Today we're here with Onyx and Mpire car meets. Today we got our first ever car meet. If you haven't come, check out our YouTube videos, check out our Instagram, and check out all our social media. First ever car meet. Here we go.
What's good, bro? Welcome to the Onyx Performance and Mpire link up. As you can see, we've got some mad cars, M5s, M3s, M4 cabrios.
So it's a Ferrari 599. They were about 3,000 built. So this is the last handmade V12. It's about 640 brake horse. Does 0 to 60 in 3.7. And yeah, it's originally kept. There's no modification, there's no turbos, but it's a pure muscle car.
We've probably got about 30, 40 cars here so far. Some people got here early at 12 o'clock, which is pretty mad. I rate that. But yeah, that's it, man. We're keeping it kicking. We've got the DJ just arrived, food trucks here. It's kicking, man.
Yes, Papa G in the house.
He's our main man here, parking control and security. No messing around, lads. Big up Jimmy Recovery.
Big up, we're representing on a Dyno Day. You know, all things global is here. We provide the music, and when it's a good day. You know, cars, girls, music, and money. Say no more, we catch you later.
As well. We've had about 5 cars in the dyno so far. We've had 3 F90 M5. One of them was like 800 horsepower. We've got this CLS 55 next. Then we got the M5 next as well. Old school motors. Let's see how they do.
Thank you for coming down to the car meet. It was a wicked meet. Literally, so many people turned up, so many cars, literally hundreds of cars turned up. Wasn't expecting that, so thank you guys for coming down. Thank you, Mpire. But definitely we're going to do one again next year in the summer. Is going to be kicking.